China. What do you guys think about China? Are we crazy with all this China exposure? Here's the deal. We put 4 new positions on China. We're really going for it. You guys have to decide individually, how much exposure do I want to this thing, right? You might think Straza's crazy. Straza wants all this China exposure. I don't know. Well, don't do all 4, right? Maybe do the FXI and then pick one of the individual components and go for 2 of them. We gave you guys a bunch of options. And the way I'm doing it is I'm equal sizing all of them, and we're really going for it. FXI, think about it. China, massive momentum thrust, right? You see the historic volatility spike. You see the momentum thrust. We come out of this beautiful base. This is the index, the iShares Large Cap China Index. And then a hard retest. But if you look at that retest, all we did was retrace 62% of the prior advance off of the August lows. That's textbook. That's a standard retest. That's a garden variety corrective wave. We dig in at the 62%. Now we're bouncing higher. I think that was just as scary enough corrective period to follow this gangbusters momentum thrust, which to us is the initiation of a new uptrend, right? The momentum thrust that we saw a couple months ago. And then we get this corrective wave that's just enough to sour sentiment on China again. I love that setup. People are making fun of David Tepper out here for coming on and saying, buy everything in China a couple months ago. I like that sentiment. I think China digs in here. I think these trades are all big winners for us in the future.